Hi guys, nice to see you again. I'm Lee from Easy Chinese Classroom. This is our first lesson of Chinese Pinyin series. Today I'll introduce the twins in simple final family, Wu and Yu. Review the old to know the new. So first, still quick review. Last time we learned, yes, number one, Okay, it pronounced like EA in C or EE in C, but just relax your lips. E, you needn't to spread it. Okay, relax. E. Okay, means number one, E. Okay, for simple final E, we need more attention on E syllables. Do you still remember them? First, let's read the first group. Our tongue is flat, right? Z, c, s. Once again, z, c, s. Yes, okay. Now, for second group, the tip of our tongue is raised and a little curved, right? Zh, ch, sh, r, zh, ch, sh, r. Yes. And the last one, e. Now let's move on to this new lesson, Wu and Yu. They just like twin brothers. Wu is the big brother. He takes more responsibilities and he spells with most of the initials. While Yu, he's the naughty younger brother. He just spells with 6 initials and he always pretends to be his big brother Wu. Okay, now let's start with big brother Wu. Wu. It's pronounced just like double O in food. Wu, wu. Well, yu, there is no yu sound in English. Yu, yu. Okay, so look at the keyboard. When you want to type yu, we just type letter V to replace it. Okay, remember. Now, wu, wu. It's very easy to spell wu with the different initials, just one special rules. When we put W, in English we read it W, but in Chinese pinyin we read it wu, wu, initial wu and final wu. When we put them together, we just pronounce wu. Okay, wu, 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 wu. Now, an example, wu with the third tone, wu, 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 means 5. Wu, wu, wu. 1、2、3、4、5、5. Okay, so for Wu, that's all. Just remember this one. Okay, Wu. Well, Yu, the naughty younger brother, is just spelled with 6 initials. So the first 2, N and L, N, L. So, N Yu, N Yu, N, L Yu, Lu, N, Lu. Now some examples with the third tone. 雨雨 so 呢雨女呢雨女 female 女 and this one the third tone 玉 so 了玉绿色绿色 means green 绿色 green 绿色 Okay, now another 3 initials 鸡 qi xi. Once again 鸡 qi xi. When they spell with yu, here's the trick. Yu just pretends to be his big brother, so don't get confused, okay? When we spell it, it's not jiwu, it's jiyu, ju, jiyu, ju, and qiyu, chu. Yes, qiyu, chu. and 西吁须，西吁须，居区须。Now examples. This one. 鱼 second tone. 鱼基于橘子，橘子，橘子，橘子，橘子 tangerine. 橘子，橘子。And this one. 西应性兴，其欲去兴趣，兴趣，兴趣 interests 兴趣。And this one. 西吁须需要要需要需要需要 need 需要。Now the last initial spell with yu. It's yi, yi. Well, in this syllable, yi is silent. We just pronounce yu sound. Yu, yu. But still, you want to be the big brother. So keep in mind, this syllable is yu, okay? Yu. Now, for example, with the second tone, yu, 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 fish, yu, yu. Okay, now let's have a review. Yu can spell with n and l, nu and lu, nu, 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 lu, 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 and spell with ji, qi, xi, ju, chu, xu, ju, 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 chu, 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 xu, 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 xu. And the last one is yu, 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 yu. But still, for these four, you must pay more attention, right? Without the eyes, but it's still yu, not wu. Okay, that's all for the new lessons. Quiz time, okay? Try to spell the following syllables by yourself. First one. This is wu or yu. Yes, it's wu. With the first tone, wu, wu, bu, 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 bu. No, bu, no. Yes. Second one. Yes, it's wu. With the third tone, wu, wu, tu, 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 soil. This one? Yes, this one with the eyes, it's yu, right? With the second tone, yu, yu. So it's le yu, lu, le yu, lu, lu, donkey, lu, donkey. And do you remember just now I told you when you type the letters, there is no yu in the keyboard, right? We type letter, yes, letter V to replace it. So, you know, what's this? LV, right? LV bag. But in China, we also say Lü Bao. Because when we type Lü, we type LV. Just for fun, okay? Lü Bao. Now, go on with our quiz. This one? Yes, it's Wu, not Yu. Wu with the falling tone. Wu, Wu, 歌舞故，歌舞故，故事，故事。故事 story story 讲故事 story tell a story 讲故事 Okay, this one. It's wu or yu? Yes, it's yu. Yu with the third tone. Yu, 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 rain. It's raining. 正在下雨，下雨 raining 下雨 raining. Okay, this one. 特一奥跳，特一奥跳。And this one is a yes 舞舞跳舞跳舞跳舞 dance 跳舞 dance. Okay, that's all for our quiz. Can you distinguish wu and yu? Just need more practice, okay? Now at last, let's try a difficult Chinese tongue twister. Okay? 红鲤鱼,绿鲤鱼,雨驴. Let's spell them together. This one. 喝红红红 red 红乐怡鲤乐怡鲤鱼鱼鲤鱼 carp 鲤鱼 carp 红鲤鱼 see the picture 红鲤鱼 okay 乐玉绿乐玉绿绿乐怡鲤鱼绿鲤鱼绿鲤鱼绿鲤鱼红鲤鱼绿鲤鱼 and this one 雨雨雨 and 雨 and 乐鱼驴乐鱼驴驴 donkey. So it means red carp, green carp, and donkey. Now let's try. Okay, let's have a try. 红鲤鱼绿鲤鱼雨驴红鲤鱼绿鲤鱼雨驴红鲤鱼绿鲤鱼雨驴红鲤鱼绿鲤鱼雨驴 Oh, it's really difficult. Yeah, just for fun, okay? So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. And if you like my lessons, please like and subscribe my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye.